Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this newly reduced pool home for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out here at 1930 Crescent Drive. This is on the lakeside of the highway. Super popular location, close to Windsor Launch Ramp. Just had a recent price reduction down to $819. Little peekaboo lake view from the street. All nice homes around here. You also have a nice covered awning for RV boat type parking. Looks like it has a 50 amp and a clean out. So you have a little paver at the front so you don't get that whole wash away when it rains. Let's go on in and check it out. Nicely landscaped. Nice little front entry. So I have a saying that I usually say for properties over here that it's super quiet and you either live here, you're lost, or you're on the way to the launch ramp, which makes it pretty popular with locals. Nice little enclosed patio area with some lighting. Alright guys, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2007. 1,941 square feet. Again, on the lakeside of the highway. Sits on a 11,000 square foot lot. Nice open floor plan. Tile floors. Has a nice little fireplace with some stonework and a granite seating area type thing. Has can lights, pre-wired for low voltage speakers and alarm. Vaulted ceilings. So you have a nice big kitchen with a eat-at kitchen island with granite tops. Stainless appliances. Reverse osmosis drinking water at your sink. Little pantry. Everything looks pretty clean and new. There's even a ice maker. Gotta have the ice maker. Here's your pantry. Travertine tile backsplash. Also a skylight in the kitchen. This is a split bedroom floor plan, so you have the master on one side and the guest bedrooms on the other. So you have your garage access and your indoor laundry on the master side. Also a skylight in the laundry as well. The little utility sink. And then it continues on into the master. Real nice size master. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. There's also a slider out to the backyard pool area. And then your master bath. There's some pot shelves. So you have your master bath with dual sinks, granite tops, little jetted tub. Skylight in here as well. Toilet has its own door. So I forgot to mention all the cabinets have their own soft touch close. Get your walk-in shower. Nice tile work. Have your walk-in closet. So on the other side of the house you have the other bedrooms, and this is a guest bath. Same granite tops and cabinets. You have the full tub shower combo. At the end of the hall, you have a little linen closet and a guest bedroom. The front of the house. Glass double doors for your closet. So at the other end of the house, at the rear of the house, you have a little junior master suite guest bedroom. Same kind of setup with the closet doors. So the little junior master bath has a sink with granite and a walk-in shower as well, with a door to the outside pool area that we're going to go check out right now. So you have a real nice, super clean garage setup. It is 53 feet deep on both sides. You have two 9-foot doors that are insulated. You have your reverse osmosis with a huge tank, soft water, water heater. All your home runs for your irrigation. The whole garage floor is painted or epoxied, real super clean. Has a window. Looks like it has its own central air conditioning in here as well. Yeah, so they have several, or a few, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 AC vents in here and a return. So they do have a central air for the garage. All right, so we're going out the kitchen living room slider to the backyard. Nice big covered patio. Has ceiling fans. Looks like the cool deck is in great condition. Also have a hot tub. Nice pebble-tec pool with a baja shelf entry. It's also a outdoor shower right there. They also put in rain gutters, and it looks like they have a radiator style pool heater on the roof. Pool looks to be in good condition. It has a couple spillways on this raised beam. See the pool heater set up on the roof there. Pretty decent big pool. Don't see any cool deck damage or anything like that. Everything looks to be in pretty good condition. So there's your side RV boat type parking access, which also comes back with a gate to the backyard. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that quick little video walk through the house over here on Crescent Drive. Again, this one just had a recent price reduction to $819. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.